thing. Alright, I need the helmet up, guys. I'm turning the camera around. Oh, shit. We gotta get this Challenger to get into the other lane. Just lost my earpiece. No, it's still there. That's my boy LV. All right, my son and I got a head-to-head. No burnouts this time. We are in full race mode. Yeah, okay. We're on track. We're ready to go. I'm turning the camera around. Enjoy the race, everybody.
How you been?
Good, man. We're here to break some records again.
Yeah.
This is my man. They can't see you. Yeah. I'm talking with my man LB. He's been my pre-stage guy for 5 years. When I started racing my dart, he is the man, the myth, the legend, and he's letting my son and I run head to head. So LB, we will see you tomorrow, man.
Okay.
Thank you. Got me again. Oh, he snuffed my reaction time. Wow, he took the win. That's a perfect reaction time. Oh my God, he hit a .14 something if I saw that right. Wow. That's the reaction time you want to get. I hit a 3 again. You good? Got a little too much fuel. Loading the turbo up. Wow. Took me again. Alright, you guys, I'm going to end the stream right now. I just wanted to throw that head-to-head again. My kid's got a quicker car head-to-head. Question is, tomorrow, in the dial-ins, how's he going to do? That's where this racing gets really, really fun. I'm obviously going to be slower than he is by at least a second. So that means that when we start doing our brackets, I'm gonna get a 1 second head start on him, and he's gonna have to catch up and beat me. Now, I know that sounds pretty easy. You would think that I would actually get the win because I'm launching a second before him. It's still gonna take